Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We go to the chilling story now of 5 families along the St. Mary-St. Catherine border who are living in squalor. From houses on the brink of collapse to one-bedroom shacks housing 7 people. As Kalisha Williams reports, there are calls for help and greater investment in the National Social Housing Program.
A story of sorrow in Lime Hall, St. Catherine.
And I was a blood out. Blood out,
A flood of emotions as Howard Williams reflects on what happens in this structure when it rains. For him, his common-law wife and their 10-year-old son, this is home. Mr. Williams is a farmer, but he got sick and is unable to provide for his family. Despite help from others, we were told it is just not enough to address the main problem, building a house.
I always try to reach out to people to help them. Even when I'm sick, and I call out for people for help. Nobody not trying to just me and alone have to look about him, can get a doctor, make sure I get the medication and then come back on his foot. My little boy always up on my house. When his father can't give him lunch money, I will give him if he go to school.
I post it on my platform because I have a charity where I do and help people and they reach out to me so they want to build him a house and so. So I come around here today.
However, they need more people to come forward, not only to help Mr. Williams and his family, but at least 4 other families nearby, like Alfred Richards.
I said pan still now. But it bed now, it just the floor.
So how long since you've been living in this condition?
A good while still, no long, a good while.
74-year-old Ermin Moore, who owns this property.
She can't sleep in here night when the rain fall. Can't sleep in here.
Kevin, the sole occupant of this structure on the brink of collapse.
It's a really old house. So last year, like November, the rain fall and it all like tear down.
And about 5 minutes away, in the community of Dover St. Mary, is Stacey Ann and her family of 6.
And my other office planning to go back, make something more accommodating, but the funds is kind of low.
The government has been trying to provide more homes to the less fortunate under its social housing program. In February, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said 122 houses were being built under the program. Mr. Holness also promised to double that number in the current budget. Now, there are appeals for communities like Lime Hall and Dover to be included in that initiative.
I would like this to be highlighted to all Jamaicans. To let them see what is happening here, to see what they can give or what they can offer to facilitate these persons.
Persons who wish to help can contact 876-348-9937. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.